How to create SMD pad SMD pin in Allegro. Just select SMD pin, select the pad size or pad geometry. I'm selecting rectangle. We don't have any drill, so, and one more thing, of course, always select units as per your requirement. Just go in design layers. So here only one layer is given, begin layers, since there is no inner layer and outer layer, I mean bottom layer. So just select begin layer. Here geometry you have to select again rectangle. I'm selecting the size 150. That means 100 mils. Width and height is 50 mils. Okay. Now we don't have anything to select since thermal, anti, and keep out. Thermal and anti are for through hole only. So we don't need to select anything else. Just go in mask layer. So here you have to select only one layer, solder mask top. Usually we keep a few mils extra. You can keep same. That means 100 mils and 50 mils also. Or if you have any standard, you can increase like 4 mils or 5 mils. You can increase. Usually we keep 4 mils. That is quite close to 0.1 mm. That is 4 mils. Okay. So this is how you can create SMD pad. Okay. Now if you want the pad size, the pad shape is something different, rectangle, rounded rectangle, you can select rounded rectangle also. Here you have to select the corner radius. Usually, let's see how does it work. 120, 10. Usually should not be more than 25%. So just need to get calculation. So I think 10 mils corner radius is 10 is enough. That looks fine for me. Same you can do, you have to do for masking only. Corner is 10. Now it's look fine. Okay. Your SMD pad have been created. Now just need to save this SMD pad. This shape is rounded rectangle. So R 100. Masking is 100_50. Okay, that is the pad name. And if you want to add masking also, so you can add SM10_1054. Okay, that's how you can give name. Otherwise, this one is also okay. R rectangle SM R100_50. Just save it.